In a lot of restaurants, the issue of live entertainment comes up and how we go ahead and characterize those individuals. Most of the time we try to characterize them and classify them as independent contractors. But we have to be careful how we set that relationship up. Under the IRS, they've issued 21 factors that they will look at in order to determine whether someone is properly classified as an independent contractor. The state will look to these 21 factors as guidance to determine whether under California's wage and hour rules they're properly classified as well. The best way to start is with a written contract clearly spelling out that they're being hired for a specific purpose and that they're independent contractors. Everyone at least signs on to that basic idea. But that doesn't end the IRS's analysis or the state's analysis of whether someone is properly classified. The single biggest factor is, again, the subject of control, the amount of control that one person places over another. And if you put too much control over someone, even if you're hiring them just for a couple sets for them to perform in front of your patrons, you could end up going ahead and having them misclassified as independent contractors. So you have to be careful about how you set that relationship up. Tell them that it's a general task that you're hiring them for independently, and then let them do whatever they do. The more rules and restrictions that you put on them about what they have to wear, about when they have to be there before the set starts so that you can go ahead and set the place up, how long they have to be after, how quickly they need to break their instruments down, when specifically they can go ahead and take their breaks. The more risk you run of actually tipping the scale in favor of them being employees and being subject to all of California's wage and hour rules. You need to go ahead and hire them to perform and then let them perform and decide when the natural break should be, how long they need to be there ahead of time to set up effectively, how long they need to be there afterwards to break down effectively. But less is more in this area because you need to stay under and have the smallest amount of control that you can over those that you want properly classified as independent contractors.